This video was inspired by my marketing director and sister, Rose. She tells me that all the time she gets questions from students or from people who comment on my stuff, and they're basically asking, what online business is going to make me the most amount of money? People basically want to know, okay, if I'm going to do this whole online business thing, right? It's a good question. If I'm going to do this whole online business thing, how quickly can I expect to make money? And then even more importantly, like what kind of business is going to make me the most amount of money the fastest? And I think it's a really good question to ask. I'm not surprised she sees it all the time on my social media stuff. So I had to sit here and had to think about it for a while because it was like, I didn't think it was like necessarily the answer was like a specific industry per se. I didn't think the answer was like a specific kind of entrepreneur. I did want to find some common patterns, some common denominator that we could package up and put in a YouTube video that would actually answer that question, right? Like what kind of online business will make me money the fastest or will make me the most amount of money? Or it's really like what will make me the most amount of money quickly. So I also talked to a couple other 7 and 8 figure business owners. I have a lot of friends who are earning minimum 7 figures, often 8 figures, because I try to hang out with people who are one level ahead of me. This is what we came up with. The kind of business that will make the most money the fastest. Remember, it's not the most money long-term. It's not the most money with ease, anything but the most money the fastest. Okay, that's the answer to the question. The kind of business that will make the most money the fastest is a done-for-you services kind of business. So like where you do the services, you do the work. And I'm gonna explain why. That could be things like copywriting, video editing, virtual assisting, designing websites, creating meal plans for people. Anytime you're doing the work for people, that is going to make you the most amount of money the fastest. There's a couple of reasons for that, okay? First is when you're doing a done-for-you kind of business where you're doing the work, that's the easiest kind of thing to sell. So it's the easiest offer to sell. Why is that? Because the value is inherently clear, right? Here's this amazing thing. I'm really good at it and I'm going to do it for you. And most people, when they're just getting started, they're not very good at sales. And that's why we help our students in the Get Clients Now program so much work on getting comfortable with sales, understanding that sales is not so sleazy or not spammy, and just knowing what to do. We just do a lot of work with sales because most people don't know what to do to sell. And so it's kind of like the value in a done-for-you offer where you're doing the work is so inherently clear, it's compensating for your lack of sales skills. Versus when you're selling something a little bit more intangible, of course you can make money. There's tons of people in our Get Clients Now program who sell very intangible things and make quite a bit of money doing it. But it's because we're telling them what to do. They're just following our game plan. It would take them a lot longer to figure that out on their own. If you're trying to just, say, okay, I'm not good at sales. I'm just going to go for the thing that's going to just make me the most amount of money the fastest. First reason why that would be done for you is because the value in a done for you service is so inherently clear. I will do the work for you, that it compensates for your lack of sales skills. Second thing is the majority of the work being done is typically done by you, right? So it's typically, let's just use myself as an example, right? Back in the day, I used to create logos and websites for a living. And I design the logos and I design the websites. And so there's an inherent scarcity and urgency that come from that because I could only take on so many spots per year. And so most people are really bad at creating scarcity and creating urgency when it comes to their marketing messaging. And in case you don't know what scarcity and urgency is, think about like, okay, people are on the fence. Scarcity is when they'll get off the fence because there's a certain amount of spots, right? So it's like, okay, there's 10 spots. I'm going to get off the fence because I want to be one of those 10. That's scarcity. Urgency is I'm on the fence and the sale ends on Thursday. So I'm going to buy before Thursday because I have that urgency to get me off the fence. If you can't leverage scarcity and you can't leverage urgency, you won't make the sale. And so again, if we turn this back to the question, which is which online business is going to make me the most amount of money the fastest, done for you services inherently have scarcity and urgency built into them. And then finally, typically you're solving a real problem. There's a never-ending stream of people who need logos, who need websites, who need meal plans created, who need whatever it might be, right? There's just a majority of people who have that problem and they're willing to pay to solve that problem. So typically if you went to like Upwork.com, for example, and you looked at the different categories of freelancers, typically, with some exceptions, they're all done for you services. It's a freelancer who's doing the work for you. It's a great way to make a lot of money really quickly. So in case you're wondering, like, how much money can you make? Well, I was running a multiple six-figure company designing logos and websites myself. And my overhead was very low at the time because it was just me doing my thing. And so it was very profitable. All the money went to me. I had basically no overhead. I don't even think I had an assistant until like 7 years in the business. So it was very profitable. And I made a lot of money pretty quickly because it was a valuable service that had scarcity and urgency and people needed it. And you can, just so you know how quickly you can make money doing done for you services, you could go to Upwork or any kind of freelance site and land a client today. I've helped enough students do that to where I can guarantee you, and I don't guarantee things very often, but I can guarantee you the only thing standing in the way of you getting a client today is you. The lack of belief that you can do it. Let's be real here, right? We're all friends here. If you believed you could go get a client today, you would do something different with your day today. And so the only difference is the belief. And then there's also the practical, like, well, what the hell do I do? Which is where my Get Clients Now program comes in, right? We'll show you what to do. But the truth of the matter is, even a blind, there's a saying, right? My father-in-law uses it all the time. It's like, even a blind squirrel finds a nut every so often. You could go to Upwork today, log in, start looking for people who have needs that you can solve and land a client today. It's not that hard. It's just not that hard. Couple of notes that I do want to share, okay? Some caveats to all of this. You can get to 6 figures pretty quickly doing a done-for-you service, but it's hard to scale a done-for-you business, right? So it's hard to scale. You can. If you choose to scale a done-for-you business, it's like an agency route where you hire people to do the work for you. So I'm going to give you an example, right? I'm currently looking to hire a night nanny, somebody to come over to my house and help me take care of my baby at night. And the people that I'm interviewing, they're an agency where there was one night nanny. She could only do so many night nanny, right? I mean, you only have so many. So then she hired another nanny. Now she's got 2 nannies. Now she's got 3 nannies, right? And so that's how she scaled. It's typically called an agency. The other way that you can scale a done-for-you business is you can choose to package up your expertise and sell a course, sell a product, sell something that's a little bit more less time for money, because done for you really is time for money at the end of the day. And that's what I did. So I was so good at getting clients. I had so many clients and so many waiting lists. I had like hundreds of people on my waiting list. I always had consistent income. I always had consistent revenue. And I was just very good at it. And I was also really good at showing people how to get clients, which is how my program, Get Clients Now, came out years ago. I think, over 2 years ago is how it happened, right? And that's how I hit 7 figures, was because I showed people how to get clients and I was really good at it. And enough people sent me their friends and they made enough referrals and recommendations, and it kind of grew into the 7-figure company. But it all started from me being really, really good at getting clients in my done-for-you business. And I made a lot of money in my done-for-you business as well. A multiple 6-figure income is not anything to be sneezing at. But honestly, here's the thing. I share those notes. You don't even really need to be worried about scaling this until you're at $20,000 a month. If you're making less than $20,000 per month, go get some clients, go do some done for you stuff, go actually provide some value to the marketplace. Don't worry about scaling. So many people are worried about scaling when they haven't even started. Worry about getting your first client, then worry about getting your next client, then worry about getting consistent clients and reliable income and all of that. That's your order of operation. So if you want to land a client today, if you're serious about it, you can actually come to this workshop that I'm hosting. It's very cool. It's this training session where I share with you the 5 pillars of getting clients. So there's 5 pillars of getting clients. There's 5 things you need. And I'm actually going to walk you through what those 5 pillars are, and we're going to rate your business. So think of it like an audit. So it's a game plan to see kind of, okay, where are the gaps that you have in your business that are currently keeping you from landing clients on a consistent basis. It's super awesome. If you go to mariawendt.com/workshop or click the link down below, you can totally sign up, save your spot. It's my gift to you, totally free. It's amazing. A lot of people have gone to this workshop before you, and they always send me really, really positive things to say. I think one person said, I'll never forget it. It was like, I got more value out of this free workshop than a course I paid $8,000 for. So it's really good. I put a lot of work into it. If you'd like it and you'd like to get some insight into those 5 pillars, how to get more clients, go to mariawendt.com/workshop or click the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you found this helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.